Auto insurance costs may seem like an unnecessary add-on to your already rising expenses, but it is absolutely necessary in today's world. In order to minimize this burden, you should get cheap auto insurance quotes from different online insurance companies. A car is a necessity nowadays, and buying it involves a lot of investment. Due to chaotic traffic conditions in most places, there is always the likelihood of an accident which may damage the car, and there may even be injuries to passengers of vehicles involved in the accident. Not having proper insurance can land you in serious trouble because you will be contravening the provisions of the law. You will also be liable to pay compensation to the other party besides having to pay for the repairs to your own car. As such, it is imperative to look out for cheap auto insurance quotes and safeguard your interests. How to get competitive auto insurance rates. The best way to save money on car insurance is to browse the websites of different online insurance companies and get cheap car insurance quotes from them. The insurance premium depends to some extent on your driving record, but even if you have a bad driving record, you can get a good deal online. All you need to do is submit information regarding your age, the type of car you drive, and the state where you live, and you will get cheap auto insurance quotes which you can study and compare. Later, you can choose one which you think is reasonable and reliable. It is possible to find really cheap auto insurance quotes even if there are a few tickets on your driving record, or even if you have been involved in some accidents. Some online insurance companies overlook credit histories and driving records and offer competitive rates to cope with the stiff competition they are facing from other insurance companies. Your efforts to find such an online company will prove beneficial in the long run. Suggestions on how to shop around for cheap auto insurance quotes. The following suggestions will help you to shop around on the internet for cheap auto insurance quotes. You should provide complete information regarding your marital status, age, your zip code, safety features of the car, and aggregate commuting miles in a year. Insurance companies are likely to quote a high insurance rate if complete information is not provided. In order to get the maximum discount, it is necessary to provide as much information as possible. Shopping around is the best way to find a good deal because the rates vary considerably from one company to the other. You can also check with your current insurance company, which may have a scheme of lower rates for new customers, and negotiate with them. The other ways by which you can get cheap auto insurance rate include raising your deductibles by having additional financial resources, cutting down on the miles you cover every day by taking public transport, by carpooling, by flying, or by taking a train instead of driving while on a vacation. You can also install car alarms and other anti-theft devices to safeguard your vehicle. In order to get cheap auto insurance quotes, you need to do a little research. Check out different websites and their offerings before you arrive at a decision. Share this video and subscribe us for more auto insurance videos.